be telling you how to make slime, and this is my new puppy. So how you make slime is Elmer's glue and don't bite my feet, and baking soda or sugar. Okay, so I didn't have a bowl or nothing yet, so I just wanted to tell you I would have made it with you. So I wanna today we went to go get backpacks and stuff from this to this church over here. Ouch. Stop. And I seen Alana, and she's a YouTuber, guys. And yeah, and so and she goes to my last year's school. So yeah, get away from me. So please comment down below if you have tried this yet. And yep. Alright. Peace.